Hey guys, it's a hot and sweaty day in Dallas and we have now arrived back with another moving vlog for you guys, or a pretty much unpack, decorating type video where I'm kind of releasing things as I can related to our new place in Dallas. So I'm going to be showing you all what we have going on so far in this video. The last video I actually shared us moving from Houston to Dallas, kind of packing everything up, getting everything in the U-Haul. Y'all kind of saw a bit of that journey from there here. Now we are in our place, so we're gonna show you guys what we have going on. It's a really blank slate, as I shared in the last video. We do have the basics, but it's not really at the level that I want it to be at yet. I haven't done all the decorating, but we're gonna do that slowly but surely. So right now, we have our bar stools, and I am in love with these. I love the metal at the bottom and the clear at the top. I feel like they match with anything. It's more so of a silver metallic. In the beginning, I was thinking about gold, but I decided on these. And then in our living room, we got our sectional from Rooms to Go. The coffee table is also from Rooms to Go, and the end table, it came as a set. And I really like it. Literally during the time that I would come visit, Gerard and I would sleep on the sectional. So in the beginning we were sleeping on an air mattress, and then once we got our sofa, we just slept on this. So Gerard slept over here and I was sleeping over here. We just made a little pallet and it was pretty comfortable. I really like the color gray that this sectional is. I believe it's like a sandy gray. Really nice, and it kind of overpowers the space a little bit. I think we need to kind of slide it over some. Maybe slide it more so over here. And then this art piece we got from Home Goods, and I'm really still trying to decide if it's centered properly. Gerard had somebody help him put it up, but I really don't know if it's centered the way that it needs to be, but maybe it's okay because that lamp is over there. We also got this tall sort of arching lamp from Rooms to Go, and I believe I may switch out the lamp shade, but you all let me know. I don't know if I want that color. I may switch it out for a different color, but I really like these tall lamps. So pretty. And then here we need to get some accent chairs. I'm thinking about maybe adding some blue ones and perhaps adding a rug that's like maybe an ivory and blue, but we'll see. I'm really not sure. I'm still kind of playing around with ideas. I've been on Pinterest a whole lot trying to figure out what we can do with the space to make it look really chic and also contemporary, but like us. Now here we have our TV. So we're gonna get a TV stand, and we're also planning to hang the TV here. I'm like all out of frame, but I don't even know if this little piece here, which I don't have any idea what that is, I'm not sure if that's going to be in the way and that's going to cause us not to be able to plug the TV in. I don't know. I see there is an outlet right here, so we most likely can mount the TV, but we're going to have to pay somebody to do that because I don't know how to do it. Gerard also has no clue how to do it, so we're going to do that. Right now our kitchen, we still have boxes from things we just brought in, but y'all look at this art piece. Gerard got this for me for my birthday. I showed it in one of my hair videos, but I don't know that you all really were able to see it like that because it was a really quick shot of it. But he printed this on a canvas. This is literally one of my favorite pictures of us. Like, it is so dope. Happy Black Chick was our photographer. She did such a great job with our photos. And then she also took these the day after we got married. We did another shoot with her. Or maybe it was like a week after we got married. We did a shoot with her and she actually took these for us, and these were done in Houston. And we're gonna find a shelving unit that we can maybe put in here or somewhere in our place that we can actually put our photos on. But those are awesome.
What'd you do with that other mirror?
I put it in the bedroom. It's in a good spot. So this is our bed, guys. I don't remember where we got it from. It was a closeout sale at a place in town. Do you remember the name of it, Bub? No. He doesn't remember. But this is a mirror from our old place in Houston. I was gonna get one of the standard IKEA mirrors, but Gerard's like, oh, you already have a mirror, you don't need to buy another one. I may end up buying it for a different room though, but I think it looks cool in here. I really want some mirrored nightstands to go over here, so I have to find those, and I think that would pair really nicely with the mirrored nightstands, but we'll see. We put a little covering over our mattress while we were traveling, just so it wouldn't get all dirty. So he's taking that off now. So I've already shown you all the master bedroom and the living room. Coming into this room, this is our second bedroom, and it's gonna be my YouTube / beauty room. And right now I just have this mirror in here, and this one I found at Kirkland's. I really like it a lot. And y'all, don't judge me, I have on the same outfit I had on yesterday. I did not pack any extra clothes in the luggage that I brought into the hotel, so I was like, man, I'm stuck. So yeah, disregard that. He's bringing in my bike. I didn't tell y'all I got an exercise bike. I don't think I did anyway. Let me hold the door. So I don't even know where we're gonna put this. Maybe we'll put this in my room.
I don't know either.
I guess you can put it in my room for the time being. Hope I don't scrape up the floor. Yeah, this is the work bike. I found it on Amazon, and when I was really on my weight loss journey, I would do fasted workouts on this thing for like maybe an hour, 30 minutes. Really helped to get me together. I'm gonna have to start that back up. So we'll find a place in here to put it. Hopefully I can decorate around it and it still look cute and not mess with my decor. But we'll see. Coming into the bathroom, I just have a bag on the floor that I just brought in from the U-Haul. And right now I just have this mirror on the countertop, and this is from IKEA. This little soap dispenser, disregard that. We're gonna actually get one that's a little more luxe, so to speak. And I love this large mirror. So cool. And then in the closet, Gerard just actually moved my clear chair that I bought from IKEA into the closet, and my Kirkland's mirror. This is just an oval shaped mirror. It has like a gold frame, and I'll show y'all that later. But he moved these things in the closet because we were supposed to have someone come into our place and paint this room white, because right now it's like a off-white, and I really don't like that color on camera. Yeah, I feel like on camera the walls just look kind of dingy, and I wanted a painter to come in and paint the walls like really white, like a pure white. But we come in and nothing has been done. The guy just seemed to have disappeared, which sucks, because I was hoping for my next video to look really crisp and white and classy, but you guys are still gonna see these blah walls. I don't know why apartments choose this color. Why not white? But nevertheless, yeah, so that's pretty much it right now. I don't think I have anything else to show you all for the time being. This video was on the shorter side because I really don't have a lot to show right now. I haven't done a whole lot with the place, but I'm gonna be doing some more things. I'm hoping to go shopping sometime this week. I don't know if I'm gonna take you all along or not, but we'll see, because I'm really excited to start decorating. But if you all like videos like these, and if you guys are interested in seeing more, then you know what to do. Hit that like button, also subscribe, because we have now moved and it's time to start decorating. All right guys, I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on those notifications so that you know when these videos are coming. I love y'all. Bye.